Are you ready for What's in the Box? And now, your host, the man, the myth, the legend, Bob.
Oh, thank you. Please, do we have a special day for you today? I'm your host, Bob. Welcome to What's in the Box. Let's get to the unboxing. And there you have it, folks. Another day, another fine piece of hardware unboxed on What's in the Box.